Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In previous video we have learned what is inheritance, an example of inheritance also we understand. In this video we are going to learn the use of super keyword and calling the superclass constructor within a subclass constructor. So as we have seen that here we have initialized the value, but we will use in this program the constructor to initialize these value. So we have created the constructor, and same thing we will do inside the constructor, and here we will pass the value in constructor like string, model, name, and we have the int price, we have float size, we have a string year like this, and here we will pass the model name, and we can also change here model name, and we can we have to declare the variable first of all these things, model name like this, int price, plot size, and string here like this. Now we have to remove it, and here we have to put this to make a difference between instance variable. We have read the use of this keyword in previous video. If you have not seen, kindly see my previous video to understand the use of this also. So here we have this model, that is model name. So we have passed the value from the constructor. Here we put the price, here size, and here year. So you have see we have given the value in constructor and we have passed the value to the instance variable, these variable here. Same we do here in this class also, subclass smart AC, and here we have to initialize the value like this dot Wi-Fi equal to Wi-Fi, and this dot dual compressor equal to dual compressor, this dot 5 star equal to 5 star like this, and we are creating here string Wi-Fi, string dual compressor, string 5 star like this, and here we just remove the value. You see, now we have done this, but we are also using the value from the like model or the value from display. We are also using the value, these value also from the previous class also. So we have to initialize, we have to call this constructor also. So what we will do, we will calling the constructor of superclass within a subclass by using a super keyword, or we can write like this. I can copy this and I just paste here, and I replace the AC with the super keyword. So super keyword is used to initialize, to call, super keyword used to call the super class constructor. So here I have to pass this model, price, size, and a string year also. So how will I just create more model name, int price, more variables, plot size, and string year. So like this we have created, and we have passed these value here, which we are getting from the constructor, like this. And you see, now with the help of super keyword, we are calling this constructor the super class constructor, and this class will initialize these value. Here model name is also there. So we don't need to initialize the model here now, because the model is already we are initializing from the super class constructor. Just remove it now, and we are calling the display method from the super class. So we can also write this like super dot display, like this. So this is the use of super keyword also. So by the use of super keyword, we can initialize the super class variable, or we can call the super class method, or we can call the super class constructor also. So like this way, we have this, we did this, and the order of this is, so we have to make order also. Just I cut it and put in front of this, because I want to make one order, and I want to remove this also from here. You see, now model, price, size, year, Wi-Fi, dual compressor, and string. So we have created the constructor, we have called the super class constructor with the super keyword. Now we have to call the classes. So here AC class is done, because we have created on constructor. So now AC would not create the default constructor of Java. So we have to pass these value: model name, price, size, and year. So we are passing here model name, like we say LG, model name, price we are passing here 42,000, size 1.5 F, because the float, and year we can say 2021, and it should be in string because it is in string format. So like this we call it. Here we can copy the same value first of all, and we pass here in this constructor. Here we can change the model to the Samsung or some other model we can pass, or we can pass here the Wi-Fi facilities here, or not. We have a dual compressor, no, or we have, next one is 5 star, we say no. So like this we can pass the value in a constructor, and now no need to pass here because we have removed, we have initialized. So with the help of subclass constructor, we implicitly we call the superclass constructor here, and this class is constructed also is called like this is called, and initialize these model, and then I call this display method also, and I call the, I display the property of the subclass also. So we have changed this as per the superclass and subclass constructor requirement. Now I run it, I will have the same output which we got in a previous program or example, but now we have used the concept of constructor, and this is the way to create a constructor and calling a superclass constructor by subclass in Java.